Good day for everybody! I am happy to welcome you at the channel Knitting Lessons at Home. Lesson 32. Elastic with squares. Here you can see the scheme of our pattern. This pattern has 4 rows. In the example, the number of loops are 15. The first row, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. The second row, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1, purl 2, knit 1. The third row, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1, knit 2, purl 1. The fourth row, knit loops only. Repeat this 4 rows. This is the wrong side. This is the right side. Do you like the video? Put likes and subscribe to the channel. See you soon!